All right, hi guys. We're back with LABrary this week, and so what our challenge was for last week was to build a ramp, and we were going to test different kinds of ways you can create friction on a ramp and have a car go down the ramp, and seeing what kinds of things caused more friction, what things added more friction, and what the friction did. So I have some demos here that I will kind of show you as a summary. It was hard for me. I was going to do a time how long it would take to go down a ramp, but the timing was hard to do, frankly, if I was trying to film it and time it at the same time, and it wasn't all of that accurate. So what I did is instead go for a distance. I measured distance based on friction. So I figured if I did 2 or 3 runs with each sort of thing on, with each sort of friction element on there, I would get an estimate about how far things would go and how they react, how the friction would react or affect the car. So anyway, so I'll show you the videos here, but in summary, what did I check? I did some just a cardboard ramp and see how far the car went, and the car went about just under 15 feet as an average when I just did the ramp. And then so the other things I did to kind of test friction is I did tinfoil, which I did solid tinfoil, just a big run of tinfoil, and that knocked the distance about half. So that added a lot of friction. And then I did a thing where I did 2 sort of ribbons of tinfoil, and that made the car go about 9.5 feet. So that knocked it down quite a bit, but obviously having more on there. I tried like a really coarse, like a metallic almost sandpaper, and that really didn't slow it down much. I tried it in different places on the ramp, didn't really affect it too much. I also tried some plastic wrap. If I did it really tight, it did about the same as the tinfoil did. Problem with that is that it also kind of, like, if it bunched up at all, it kind of stopped the car because it would kind of get in the wheels. It would kind of roll up in the wheels. So I kind of decided it wasn't a fair test. So those are some of the things I tried, but definitely some of the things that just make it so the wheels don't ride as smooth, that they're actually having a harder time turning over. It's causing more friction and slowing it down, not giving it as much speed coming off the ramp. So I had fun playing with this kind of stuff. So hopefully you guys took on this challenge, had some fun with it, and so stay tuned until, I guess, next week. We're going to have Miss Kathleen is going to have another challenge next week, and then I'll follow up with another challenge after that. So, all right, thanks.